Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video. I did hit up the Coach outlet today. As you can see, this scrunched up bag right here. Look, this bag is scrunched up because I was going to make sure my stuff was not going to get stolen. I had went to some places after I went to the outlet and I just had to make sure that my items were not showing, so the bag's a little bit scrunched up because we don't have time for folks breaking in cars and stuff. But anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out some items just like at random as I go. I was so excited for this collection. I have been anticipating it once I heard about it on TikTok. Well, the first item is going to be this sunglass case right here. Hopefully the light is not going to interfere. Maybe I should just turn it down a tad so that way you guys can get a better look of the details. This is so beautiful. I just had to get this collection. Hopefully you guys can see that better with the light a little bit dim. I appreciate the hardware up here. It has some decent weight to it. I love the turn lock. Please forgive my nails, y'all. But I thought this was really nice. Now this is my first sunglass case from Coach, and why not get it in the cherry collection? So this is going to be sunglass case cherry, and it is in black multi. And I had to pick this up. Whether I'm going to use it for my glasses, because I do have a lot of eyeglasses. I like to change them around based on what I'm wearing. I don't know if I'm going to use it for that. I might just use it for some other stuff like lippies or whatever. I haven't figured out what I want to do with it yet. But this is the first item. Let's see what the next one's going to be. Oh, now this one I really had to get. I love my Rowans. I don't know if you guys noticed that by watching my videos, but I love my Rowans, and so I had to pick up the bag charm. Of course, this is so cute. I had to get this one, and I'm just really excited about this collection. Just to let you know, there is a couple of items that I do not have that I will probably show in another video once I get the items. In my store or location, they did not have the medium corner zip wallet in stock or a scarf. There's a cherry scarf that is also available. So while I was checking out, I had them order for me online, and I'm not really sure when it's going to get here, but in the meantime, I just thought I would go ahead and show you what I have. So this is a close view of the little Rowan. It is so cute. I just love these little bag charms. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, this was kind of like, I wasn't sure if I was going to get this or not, and I know these are coveted. I know a lot of people love to get the notebook in these little pencil cases, and being that this collection is so pretty, I just decided to hop on that train as well. I just love this collection. I think it's really beautiful, and I just did not want to have buyer's remorse for not picking it up. I'm like, well, let me go ahead and grab it, and if I decide I don't want it, then I'll just go from there. But it looks like I'm going to hang on to this. But this is really cute. Let's see. Pencil case cherry print, and also black multi. I don't know if it's really necessary for me to go over all the tags, but that is the pencil case. The next item is my first notebook. I do not have any, and like I said, this is my first one. But when I saw this in person, as well as the pencil case, I just could not pass it up. They had about 5 of them out, and they had about 5 of the pencil cases as well. I just went over them to see which one was like the better one, because when you go and look for this collection, just take a look at the leather on it, because I did see marks on a lot of the items, and I just went through them and picked out what I thought were the better ones. But I did notice like there was lines and letters. I meant lines in some of the leather. So just keep that in mind and just make sure you look over it. But all of this is like has some dimension to it and some texture. It does have glitter on this. I thought it was going to be in sequins, and as well as these other items that I previously showed you, it looks like they're all in the glitter. I thought this one was going to be in sequin. It just looks like it, but it's a glitter effect to it. And like I said, this is my first notebook, and I love notebooks, by the way, and so I'm excited about using this. And that is the back. Okay, so the next item is going to be the reason why I had to go get this collection. I saw this bag in a TikTok video, and I said, I have to get this, especially because it's a Rowan. I love my Rowans, and I love my Smith totes. I just love this style bag, and hopefully you guys can get the detail up there. It's a really beautiful bag. It is in gold tone hardware, by the way. The leather is really nice on it, very soft. Let me look at this tag. It's right here. Let's see what this one is. It just says cherry print Rowan and then black multi, but I'm trying to figure out exactly what kind of leather it is. It kind of reminds me of their glove tan leather. It's very soft, but this is such a beautiful bag. I wish they would start putting feet on the bags. I love to have feet on my bags, but yeah, it still wasn't going to stop me from purchasing this collection just because of that. But yeah, you guys, this is what I got from the cherry drop. Like I said, I'm missing a couple of items. I'm not sure when they're going to come in the mail, but I will be sure to hop up here and show you those items once I get them. If there's anything that you would like to see in better detail when I do get it, like for instance a tour of this bag or what have you, let me know. When I get the other items and I show it to you, I can do that for you. But I just wanted to hop up here and show you these beautiful items from the cherry collection that dropped today. I did go in person to get these items, and I'm so glad I did, because that way it gave me an opportunity to look at other things that they brought out. And I did see the white collection. I didn't see all of the pieces there because I was just looking for this, honestly, and then I was looking to see what they had in the men's collection. They had some shearling stuff, but I just wanted to just grab what I went in there for, and I really didn't take too much of a glance at the white cherries. It just wasn't really my style. I like the black with the red cherries better, so this is what I grabbed. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. Bye.